everybody, and welcome to Junior's Food. Junior, you should know this is my show. Just for that, I'm gonna beat your ass. We are so sorry about that. Hello, everybody. Sorry for the mix-up. Junior just thought he could take over my show. Finally, the creator give me something else to do, other than Junior being in a whole bunch of titles, but whatever. Today, we're gonna be trying rip-off Flaming Hot Cheetos. They're still Flaming Hot Cheetos. They're rip-off Cheetos. Gotta get this open. But they're still rip-off chips, though. Yeah, that's true, but at the end of the day, at least they're chips. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, these people who are making these rip-off stuff, they should be original. Yeah. Alright, let me help me open this. You wanna have the first bite? No, I'm good. Okay, now just gotta reach in and grab a chip. Just gotta try the chip. Out of my way, you piece of shit. The bathroom. Oh, it's so spicy. Well, kids, see you in the next Plus video. Don't try anything spicy.